So there's the queen right there. This is a swarm I just caught, and I put a couple frames in there because there's a lot of bees, so I gotta give them something to get on. Watch that queen go in there. There she goes. Now all these bees here, they're going to go right in there and follow her like clockwork. They following the queen bee. Look at them. I caught this hive. They came across the field right here. Caught them probably about 40 minutes ago, something like that. And I knew they didn't have no room. I had to get them in something. There's a big old drone right there. That's what the drones look like. So I'm gonna let them go in there. And that's a big old hive. Put another frame of comb in there. I'm one short. Got them a new home. That queen will get in there. She'll start laying eggs, hopefully. Then when she starts laying, I'm going to take out some of the frames and I'm going to put them in some other boxes, and I'm going to make my own hives and my own queens. So I'll fish right here. I'll be able to make a lot of hives, hopefully, if I can keep them alive. They don't swarm on me. That's what's good about catching your own hives. If you go out and buy something like this, package of bees, it'll cost you about 185 bucks. 5-frame nook. So this right here is the best way to do it. Just takes a little bit of time. You learn a lot from doing it too. That's pretty much it, and I'll let all these bees get in there. I'll put this top board back on here. And then tomorrow I'll fill this one here up with frames, probably about 3 frames. I'll put it back up in that tree there. And I'll catch me another hive.